Good morning, everybody. It is 10:28. I've been up since 8. Ben woke us up at 7, and then I'm like, you know, kid, just go downstairs. When I was his age, and Graham was his age, 5, almost 6, we went downstairs and was able to turn the TV on and watch TV while our parents slept when I was his age. Graham did the same thing. I guess it's a 90s thing, or, you know, 80s, 90s thing. I don't know. But he keeps constantly wanting to wake us up, and I'm like, Ben, let me sleep a little bit longer. Especially, they always say sleep when the baby sleeps. So it's like, come on, Ben. So he finally, we woke up at 8, and then he finally knew we were awake. So it was that. It is, I think it's 10:29 now. Graham's having some brunch because he's already excited for lunch food already. But today I'm just gonna chill at the house, get some stuff done. Graham and I got extremely mad with Ben right now because he keeps moving all the furniture and he never puts it back. So we're like, okay, if you move the furniture, you're getting, you know, your tablet taken away from you for a week. If you do this, you can have your tablet for an hour. So I'm gonna really step my foot down on that. If he wants his tablet, he can do stuff. So that's what I am working on today. I'm hoping to finish my wreaths. I keep saying this, but I'm hoping to finish that one and then my other one. And then just kind of pick up the living room and then get the kitchen table cleared off. I already did the dishes and the kitchen's already good to go. But tomorrow I'm going to go to the grocery store and order Charlotte's cake and everything. Yeah. And then I'm going to start, actually I got to start getting her decorations up because, like, even though we're not having a birthday party for everybody, I'm still going all out because, you know, it's her birthday party and I want pictures to show that, you know, we went all out. So I got to make her a little high chair thingy that I started making, and then I got to cut some stuff out with my Cricut machine later this week. But yeah, we're just going to have somewhat of a lazy, productive day. I made a list of movies that I want to get from the library sometime in the next few weeks. So just because there's some movies that I want to watch, but I kind of want to make it a goal of myself personally watching a movie a day. Because sometimes it's like I don't get to it. It's like kids, I can only watch certain kids movies. So there's just sometimes where I just want to sit down and watch a movie. So even if I do it at night when the kids are asleep or when the kids are just chilling, Charlotte's nap, I don't know, but that's what I plan on doing. Even if I'm crafting, I'm planning on doing that. But Miss Charlotte's riding her little elephant, aren't you? Say hi! Yes! Good job! Yeah! And then I'm also, a lot of you guys were asking how I made that mask thing, and I'll show you guys that in a, later today, how I made that. Hey you guys, I just realized I look like crap, but that's okay. I totally forgot that we are going, my in-laws, their best friend lives right down the road from us. And she retired yesterday. It was her last day. She's a nurse that works 3rd shift. And she retired yesterday was her last day. And they want a bunch of people to have a parade go right by their house, you know, a little drive-by and everything. And I'm like, yeah, sure, we'll do it because we hang out with her all the time too. So we're like, okay, I totally forgot about that. I think it's at like 4:45 or something where we have to meet them down the road. So we just sit in our cars and we're just driving by. I'm like, it gives me something to do. I need more milk, so when we're done with that, I'll just run to the gas station right up the road and get some milk. But a lot of you guys were asking about those masks. Now, I've been trying to buy, I went on Etsy, and some people want $20 for a freaking handmade mask. Now, I understand it's handmade and everything. But some of these, you know, there's some really good ones. Okay, and there's some really chintzy ones. Well, I found some that I found a deal for. They're Disney. The Disney website, a couple days ago, I saw on Instagram that the Disney actually posted a thing that they're doing face masks, and you can pre-order them, and there's 4 of them that you can get for 20 bucks. But you don't get them until like June or July, and I'm like, that's fine, because I have a feeling we'll be wearing face masks probably up until next year, you guys. I probably want to say something like that. We don't know what we're in for. We have no idea. Now they have some kind of stupid hornet that's called a murder hornet. I'm like, 2020 can just be done and over with, you guys. Like, 19 I thought was an okay year, but 2020, it's like, we're almost halfway done with 2020, you know, and it's just like, could you get any better? But a lot of you guys were asking about face masks, and I've been trying to find I follow Jennifer Maker on YouTube. She does a lot of Cricut stuff and craft stuff. And she did like a couple videos where I saw her post where you do not need, you can just cut up an old t-shirt or whatever. So this is what the videos I watched. I think I got this one, and then you just sign up for her email and she'll send you the link for, the mast and everything. So basically you just kind of cut it out, and you can pick and choose what you want, but they have you like measure from your ear to your nose to your ear, and I'm a medium, which I thought, but you could also be a large, but I cut out a medium with a shirt that I got. I got these shirts at JCPenney's last year. They were on clearance for $1.49. And then I had coupons for them, so I actually got them for like $1 a piece. And I got them because I wanted some nice like breathable workout shirts. Well, me putting them on, they're just kind of like, no, but actually I should keep one maybe for just mowing the lawn. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of how these fit me. It just did not fit me at all, especially the pink one and the black one. I've never tried the white one on, and the white one still has its tags, but it's an extra large, and I do not wear extra large. I actually wear larges, so I think I should cut these up anyways. But I cut these up, and I made the pink one. I have the pink one on my kitchen table. I don't know if I have the other one over here. But I got 2 masks out of my pink shirt. And then you could possibly get a third one. There is a chance if I wanted to really do it. But I had Graham try it on, and he's like, yeah. So I got a black shirt for him that I'm going to cut out. And what basically, this material is like really soft. And then either put like a paper towel or a coffee filter in the middle, so you guys kind of have some kind of filter. But she has like the instructions, you know, here, and then this is like a youth small. And then what you do is you, well, this is how you cut the whole thing out. Okay, for the youth small, I don't know if they're gonna do. So for the adults, I cut the medium one out. But what you do is you fold the shirt in half, and then you put this on it, and you cut along that. So the fold part's like right here, and then I just cut out the heart, and then you kind of just twist it. So I'll show you guys that. Let me get my tripod and I'll show you guys how that really works. So like, I did not do a good job cutting it, but you know what? Who cares? So basically, you just make sure you put them together. Now, her instructions is to glue it, and I didn't have any glue at the time, so I got some of the tacky glue that I'm going to use. This will work just fine, and so I will glue it once I get all this stuff done. But basically, I kind of just let this fold up a little bit, and then you just put it on. You just twist the ears. Sometimes it's weird. It can't have your hair in the way. When I first put this on, it turned out perfectly, and then now it's like I can't get this right. So basically, you just turn it, and there is your mask. So I don't like the way it looks on the sides, but I'm like, it does its purpose. It's really breathable without the filter, but you just leave like something in there to put a paper towel or a filter, coffee filter in there. But that's what I use. If you guys have some old t-shirts, the shirt that I used was the same one as the black and white one, but this pink just did not do it justice at all. But, and I taped it as I was cutting it so it wouldn't budge, but, you know, got a nice little hole right there. So that is what I did for those shirts. But yeah, so I watched The Lorax with Ben. I've been wanting to watch that movie. We rented that from the library, so we watched that this morning. Charlotte took like a 30-minute nap. I just put her down for her second nap. She was quiet, and now she's crying again, but I'm going to let her cry it out because she really needs a nap. I just got done having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I made myself a root beer float because I'm really craving like something sweet, because I actually haven't had something sweet in a couple days. But I wanted to get some stuff done, but I'm just not feeling it. Today's just one of those, I feel like Mondays are the days where I just don't want to do anything. I don't have a lot of stuff to do that I majorly need to do it. I mean, my living room's pretty much picked up, and there's just things here and there. We put the baby gate on our stairs, up the stairs. For a while there, we just had the door shut in it, and we put a toy box in there, but she just learned to crawl over the toy box, so we put the actual baby gate that we had there with the door. So we got that on there today. I emptied the dishwasher, I loaded the dishes. I just gotta put some more dishes in there right now. But I don't know, I feel like watching Twilight. I'm like, oh, I should watch Twilight. I just found out there's a new Twilight book coming out August 4th. And it's like Twilight, but it's Edward's version. So it's called Midnight Sun or something like that. I can't remember what it's called. But I'm ready to watch that, or ready to read that. That's like the only series of books I really got into. I really got into it. But I'm choking. But yeah, I'm just gonna start, you know, just picking up a couple things. I think I'm gonna do some like working out, or I should go get my hula hoop. Actually, I think I might do that hula hoop for like 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna put my music on and hula hoop for like 10 minutes. So we will see. But hopefully, I just want Miss Charlotte to go to sleep. Okay, you guys. So Graham's parents came over just to say hi, and now we're gonna go meet them at the church to go meet up with everybody. Then I'm gonna get the kids some food, and then I have to go to the grocery store and get milk. Why is this? Oh, that's my piece of paper that has my information. I'm like, what? But yeah, this is what I take with me. I don't like taking my purse with me anymore, you guys. Sorry, I won't shut. But yeah, I don't like taking my purse with me just anymore because of certain things, but this is my purse, basically what it is. So I got that and my phone. My doors are locked. I just gotta grab my keys. The kids are in the car already. So yeah, and then I gotta go to the post office because one of you guys sent me a letter. So let's go for a ride. Hey you guys, so I put Ben to bed. He's laying down right now. Charlotte, I put her to bed. She just wasn't having it. She was showing signs of being tired, but I usually just let her stay up. I'll take her and let her wait like 20 minutes and then she'll be out. But the time is now 8:52. Grandma will be home in about 20 minutes. I have like a headache. I feel like I'm stressed out, which I'm not. But I just have this like feeling where I'm just like, I need a break. And you know, I'm just sick of this quarantine, how we can't like have anybody over, nobody can do anything. You know, it just sucks. It really sucks. But I had to wait another whole freaking month just for this whole thing, you know, to somewhat open. I mean, as long as you guys keep your distance, you know, and I just don't understand. I hate it. I really want my mom to come down, but she can't. Graham's parents are like paranoid. Whatever. But I'm just stressed out. I just need a break. I just want like a day away from the kids or something. You know, I love them to death. I love them to death, but it's just like, you guys, Charlotte really doesn't bother me. It's Ben mostly. And Ben is the one who really bothers me. Like, nobody understands a kid. If you guys have kids, that's good. But if you guys have a kid that has like really bad ADHD, like Ben is like hyperactive. He's like on to one project and then 2 minutes later, I'm bored. I want to do something else. I'm bored. And I was like the same way, except I wasn't super hyper. I was just bored a lot. Graham was like just da 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 da. Ben just da 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 da. Exactly. But it's just like, I just wish this thing would just stop. It's just like, Ben is just going crazy. He wants somebody to play with so badly, and he can't. So I'm fine. I'm just like stressed out because it's like I really feel bad for Ben because he just wants somebody to play with. He wants somebody to hang out with, and like the one neighbors make us feel like we're just like an alien, and it makes me feel like crap because they don't understand having a child with ADD. They don't understand having a boy. Like, boys are a lot different than girls sometimes, you know. So it just makes me feel like crap. But that's how my day's going right now. I hope to have a better day. I don't know, I love my kids, and I mean, I like to be with them, but I just wish this whole thing would go through. I just need to catch a break. You know, have the kids have a play date or something, or at least open the parks up or something. You know, my parents in their area, they're closing the pools down all summer long. All summer long they're closing the public pools. I'm like, really? This is crazy. And I mean, if they do something like that here, it's gonna be just, you know, I don't know. I'm so glad I bought pools at 90% off at Walgreens last year. Charlotte's drinking out of a water bottle. but my foot hurts. I was dancing to, you know, Richard Simmons. That's what I was dancing to. I did about 20 minutes of that. I really could feel it, and like my body hurts now from it. So I took some Advil, you know, to kick that in, but I just need to do a couple workouts, you know, even if it's 10, 15, 20 minutes a day. I feel like I need to do it just to kind of get, you know, energy. Right now I'm just tired, but I'm going to start watching One Fine Day. And then once Charlotte goes to bed, I'm probably just going to lay down because I just need some sleep or whatever. But I'm hoping for a more successful day tomorrow. I'm going to run to the grocery store by myself and order a cake for Miss Charlotte. I ordered at a different location than the regular grocery stores we go to. Hy-Vee. It's because we always order our birthday cakes. I'm very picky on certain cakes. I've gotten cakes from all over the place, and sometimes they're not like moist, or you know, they're kind of dry, or they just taste off or something. But this grocery store, I've only gotten cakes at that grocery store. I got our wedding cake there. I got all of Ben's birthday cakes, all of whatever cakes we have had. That's where we've had. So Paris is like, you're not touching me. You don't touch me or I'm going to hit you. She's like, I'm going to hit. She can't hear me, but she knows the finger. But, yeah, so I'm just going to go get order a cake, and then I'm just going to get a couple things while I'm there. And then I'll go pick it up on Saturday. I just want to go all out for her birthday. I really want to decorate. And I'm like, why should I? Because it's just the 4 of us. But it's like, I want her to remember this. And I'm going to vlog her birthday party, you guys. Like, I'm just going to make all that one vlog, just a special one-day vlog for her. And I'm going to save that video so she can look back on it saying, yep, I had my first birthday on a quarantine birthday. And that's why I want to just go all out. I want to record this. I want to make her day special because this is my last and final baby. It's my little girl that I've always wanted. So yeah, I'm just very emotional, you guys. I don't know why. I have no idea why. I'm not like depressed. I don't have, you know what? I don't know what's going on. I just want it to be warm outside. I think when the warm weather's out, it's nicer. Now it's going to be cold all week long. There's people dying in parking lots because, you know, there's a guy that died in a Menards parking lot at my hometown because some guy parked too close to him, and then I saw that a security guard got killed because the security guard made somebody wear a face mask. It's like, it's just becoming like, you guys just be safe. You know, put a face mask on if you don't want to. You know, don't make a fuss out of it. I don't know. I'm just sick of the bad news. I've been trying to really avoid watching the news just because of everything going on, but I'm just gonna relax. My foot is killing me. I did something to my heel, but I just hope to have a nice relaxing day. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow.